Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we will discuss how to retrieve header details while retrieving a purchase indent in a purchase order. To begin, open the configuration window. Under General Options, enable the option Retrieve Header Details while retrieving purchase indent in PO. Once enabled, save the configuration. Now initiate a new transaction and select the supplier. Before proceeding to retrieve purchase indent, let me show you that all header details, such as other details and remarks, are currently blank. Now click on the Retrieve button and choose the purchase indent to be retrieved. Once it is retrieved, go back to the Header Details section and open Other Details. You will notice that all the details defined in the purchase indent, including remarks and payment terms, have been automatically retrieved into the purchase order. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.